What's up? Today we will be checking out my new dash camera. I picked this up to replace my old dash cam. It didn't fare too well from the vibration from my audio system. The power port was damaged pretty badly and it was not repairable with the tools I have now. It's just cheaper for me to replace it. Here it is. I have chosen to go with the Rayfoto Dashcam because it is reasonably priced and it has excellent features like 4K front camera and a 2K rear camera, Wi-Fi, GPS, and it has good reviews on Amazon. So let's get this out the box and see, was it worth my money? Now let's get it out the box with my trusty unboxing knife with my branding on it. It says Rayfoto 4K Dashcam model S800. What's on the back? 4K Dashcam S800. What's in the box? Dashcam manual, rear camera, USB charger, 2 film for sticky mount, and an SD card. Features 4K Ultra HD, Sony sensor 415, 8 million pixels, and take an SD card up to 256 gigabytes max. Night vision, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, super capacitor because it doesn't has a battery, parking monitor, G sensor, and loop recording. Okay, get this right side. First, we greeted with user manual. It's actually in color. Here we have a dash cam. We'll take a look at that in just a second. So far, it's an excellent presentation for what I paid for it. This is we have an extra long cable for the rear camera. We have a dash tool for prying and some clips, and it looks like a screen protector. And it seems like we have a very long power plug. I won't be using this because I already have a hardwired kit already installed in my vehicle. And here's the dash cam itself. It has 4 buttons on the front, adjustable camera, and 3M tape already applied to stick it to your windshield. We have a type C and a micro B USB. Let's see. Yeah, the power is the micro B, and the camera itself has the USB-C port. Let me get this installed in my vehicle and we look at it a little bit further. I will be focusing on low light and nighttime performance and let you know if it's any good. Okay. I apologize now if I seem a little bit lackluster. I'm not feeling too well. I've been not feeling well for a couple weeks now. but I'm going to try to get through this video because I have several more samples to review. Some good samples. Some phone chargers, wireless chargers for the car. What's it called? I got a couple of ejectors, etc. But I digress. Let's conclude this video. The Rayfoto Dashcam is trash. Wait a minute, let me take that back. It's what you expect from a $100 Dashcam. The suggested retail price of $200, it'll never sell for because I feel it's not worth that. I have several issues with this Dashcam starting from installation. I remind you, this Dashcam doesn't have an internal battery, so if you wish to use the parking monitor, you will have to hardwire it to your vehicle for continuous power. I used a 12 volt to 5 volt USB adapter, but more about that in a bit. Back to installation. After sticking the Dashcam through my windshield with the supplied 3M tape, I couldn't adjust the lens of the Dashcam to an appropriate viewing angle. I had to force the lens past its normally stopping point. I was kind of nervous about it, hearing the little cracking sounds, but I wanted to see more just tops of vehicles in front of me. And my car ain't nothing special. It's just a 2015 Corolla. So now back to the parking monitor. I really didn't understand how to use it, and the manual was really no help. I enabled the parking monitor and pressed the record button, and it just records normally. I thought it was supposed to record like in what is it called? Time stop, whatever. But it just, like I said, it just recorded normally. And after a few days, it just kills your battery. I also tried with the G sensor enabled with the parking meter. I bumped the vehicle several times. Nothing. It did not start to record. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but it should be clearly defined in the user's manual. And the manual itself sucks. It doesn't, it's not really anything useful. Okay, let's talk about the other features of the Dashcam. It also has Wi-Fi. You can connect your phone to the Dashcam to view and share footage. The app is trash. As soon as you open the app or connect the app to your phone, the Dashcam, if not, it just start recording. But if you want to do anything in the app, like view the footage or update the settings on the Dashcam, you have to stop it from recording first. But once you stop recording, it just starts back recording on its own. So you have to quickly select the function that you want, which brings me to my next issue with the Dashcam, playing back video. It will take 3 to 5 minutes for the video to start back playing. It's very choppy, pretty much unusable. It's just easier to view the video directly from the Dashcam. Other features like voice command, that actually work. You can say things like take a picture or lock video. Including, it has a G sensor which will lock the video automatically if it senses you in an accident or anything. And it also has GPS. Even though the desktop app is a little clunky, but it does work. And as you play back the video, it will show your location on the map. Now let's talk about the main function of the Dashcam, recording video. I can say it's sharp enough to read license plates about 30 feet. But at night, headlights make it a little challenging. Front camera can be a little bit difficult if your headlights is reflecting off the license plate. It make it very hard to read if you can read it at all. And that's kind of the same with the rear camera. If the headlights of the following vehicle happens to be shining on that camera, you can't really see anything. So daytime, I will show you some footage, daytime footage. It's pretty clear, pretty sharp. Nighttime footage, not too bad, could be better, but this is I'll say a sub $100 dash cam, even though they charge almost $200 for it, which, like I said earlier in this video, it's not worth that. So tell me what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information useful. If you did, please like and subscribe and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if I missed something, you know what to do. But if your feeling is a little bit more complicated than that, or you have a suggestion, please leave a comment. Also, I stream several times a week on Twitch. The schedule is in the video description. Also, you can follow me on the social medias at tekminute. Best to believe, I am a social guy.